welcome to my vlog. So this is my first vlog ever while I'm at home. I do vlog whenever I'm outside, but this is, yeah, I'm at home today. I thought, you know what, I'm on this kick to start my YouTube channel from the scratch again. So I'm going to show you what I do in a day, and every day is different for me because I work from home. Sometimes I'm just sitting in the bed and doing nothing, editing, watching Netflix along, but today I am going places, so I thought I will take you along. And this is basically, what is the time? It is almost 2:30 and it is 21st April. So yeah, I hope you guys like my vlogs. I'm not sure because I do very kind of similar and boring stuff all the time, but let's see how you guys like it. If you do, then I will be regular with vlogs as well. So anyhow, I just had my lunch. I'm almost done with it. So I had my rice with some, what is that, rajma and yogurt. I love yogurt. I just love yogurt. So yes, and of course there's some infection in my ear which I think is also affecting my taste buds. So everything I'm eating is very spicy for me these days, and don't get me wrong, I love spicy. So I have to go and see a doctor and let's see what happens. So yeah, I'm just going to put on a little bit of makeup today because I feel like it, and I don't really put on makeup even if I'm going out, but today I want to. So next time you see me, I will be all dressed, and that is my simple everyday makeup. I am all ready to leave. I'm actually getting a little late, so let us go. I'm vlogging today. You're not in the vlog. It's only me. It's only me. You're not in the vlog. Oh, Bengali Bayam. We're going to CP. Something free stuff. Levi's. By the way.
I don't need anything.
See, there are people. There are two types of people in this world. One are like me, who are always excited to get things. Another are like this mystery friend of mine who's like, I think you take a pair of jeans. Like, I don't know. I can take the entire store home. Let me show you. I will keep it somewhere in my new house. I hope they have good collection. I really hope.
कोई गाड़ी
वैसे यहाँ नहीं लगा रहे गाड़ी. Blue Reina Circle.
No.
What no?
हम जनपद पालिका में लगी.
Mystery man, you better drive.
पालिका में गाड़ी लगा.
जी नहीं.
क्यों नहीं?
बिल्कुल लीवाइस के सामने गाड़ी लगाएंगे.
अरे नहीं मिलती जगह वहाँ पे यार.
मिलती है.
नहीं
मिलती है. मैं लगाती हूँ.
नहीं. और गाड़ी गर्म हो जाती है इतनी.
कोई हमें इसे लगा ठंडी कर लेंगे. Shopping at H&M because Levi's didn't work out. They have stuff. We are looking for more. Looking for leggings. Oh, up to 70% off. Let's check. Chicken fry bana.
Yeah, he said there was traffic, which I couldn't. And that one.
We are done. On High Street. Because you've never been on the High Street, let me show you. Come here for shoots, but the first time I'm here. And that is my H&M bag right there. I think I'm going to do a haul soon with this. We had Avengers after ages today, and I am taking a vegetable patty. All these used to be my favorite.
एक और चीज है।
Oi, oi. And I am back home. Honestly, I don't even know how to vlog. I think it is so boring. You might. I don't know if you guys will like the vlog. I believe it will be boring for you. Not sure, but yeah. So I went out to CP, and the basic idea, as I mentioned earlier, was to go to Levi's. वहाँ पे कुछ मतलब coupon था, and I had to use it and get the stuff. But it was not very well coordinated by the brand, so I couldn't get my stuff today. But of course, H&M was next door, and I had to go. I found some really cute but very basic things. So I'll be doing a haul soon on my YouTube. You'll see it very soon. And yeah, I think basically that's it. अब बहुत हो गया मेकअप में मेकअप हटाने लगी हूँ. मैं पता नहीं क्यों ऐसा एक्चुअली हिंदी में बात करना मेरा बेस्ट चीज़ है, पर जब भी हिंदी में ब्लॉग में बात करो ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ स्पेशली बोल रहा है. But anyhow, so I think मैं मेकअप हटा के अपने PJs में चेंज करके and I will just chill. And I need some coffee also in my system. And of course we went to Vengers, whatever you want to call it. It's been ages since I went there. Last time I had some cake, it was pathetic, and this time I thought I would give it a try. We had their veggie patty. It was fabulous. So we had veggie patty. I got a chocolate pastry which I shared with a friend, which was yummy. I got a few pastries from my house, and also I shared a chocolate shake at Caventer's, which पता नहीं क्योंकि Caventer's अब Caventer's नहीं रहा. So जो रियल Caventer's था CP वाला वो चेंज हो गया है, and I think बाकी लोगों ने पेटेंट करा लिया नेम. So now I think it's called Shake Square. But anyhow, taste बहुत अच्छा था. So we had chocolate shake there. And yeah, that is it. It was my lazy Saturday. Not lazy like lazy in the bed, but still hardly did anything. And yeah, so I will catch you in a little bit. It's time to eat first. Boy, that is my restaurant. Happening. आपके कैसे हमें क्या हो रहा है? So मुँह तो नहीं धोया मैंने अब तक. मैं जोड़ा स्टिक होगा. हाँ बेटा. So मैं मुँह तो नहीं धोया मैंने अब तक, but I changed my clothes and I'm trying to take a nap. It is I think around 8:30 or 9. I want to take a nap, and also I want to eat something light. And post that I'm going to do something which I never do. So I'm just going to slather on more makeup, and I'm going to film some videos. I'm going to film the haul of the products that I got today. H&M haul, sorry, products नहीं कपड़े. So I'm going to film that haul. Plus मेरे घर में भरी पड़ी है empty containers जिसके लिए मुझे डांट ही पड़ती रहती है मम्मी से. मतलब मम्मी पापा तो मैं बाथरूम में से और अपने ड्रेसिंग में से और अपने ड्रॉर्स में से. Sorry, please excuse the news. I'm making some lists. So anyhow, so हाँ तो पूरा सामान इकट्ठा करके मैं एक वीडियो करने वाली हूँ on empties I think, and I'm thinking that maybe I can do a video something related to spring. Let's see. Just thinking of the ideas, but हमारे घर पे काम हो रहा है, so रात को भी टाइल्स वाला मतलब फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे कुछ काम हो रहा है. So on the first floor of my house, so he is putting some tiles on, and बहुत शोर है यहाँ. So I think I will put some makeup on around 12ish, and I plan to finish the videos by 2 I think 2 at night. So that's gonna be fun. Let's see how this goes. I will keep you guys posted. Not exactly. Yeah, you'll see all the behind the scenes in the vlogs. So yeah. Now that was an epic nap, and I think all the programs of shooting videos stand cancelled now. So let's see, take off the makeup and eat something. It is so late. It was 11 o'clock. I think I'll just wake up with okay with you. I've changed my mind. I'm going to show you how I remove my makeup. Please excuse my puffy eyes. Such a nice nap. So I generally remove my makeup with this Kaya makeup remover. It is Hydra Cleanser makeup remover, but as I'm out of this, I'm just going to use my normal moisturizer. And I always use this Jargon. It's a really nice lotion. So I'm just going to dump a little in my hand, and I'm running out of this also. Take a little and just set up. I think I'm going to rub a little in the face. Water on. After I have all the makeup off, I take my Skin Time brush. It is really good to cleanse your face. Stop the water. I use my Skin Time brush. It's amazing to cleanse your face. I use my Olay Regenerous face wash, which I totally love, and I think I really need to go and with every single day. Cheap like that, so I'm gonna make sure that I get every single bit out of this tube. I'm sorry, TV is on, so please bear with me. So yeah, take a little of that here and I've been using this brush I think for 2 years, and it really helps you. It improves the skin texture, and you don't really, so I was saying that you don't really get acne anymore. It closes your pores. It really cleanses your face every day. So the amount of guff that goes into your pores really reduces. I think if you've been following me for like a year or two, then you might have seen a huge difference in my skin. It has really faded off my scars. So plus it's really good because you go into it looking crying. So yeah, I really use it to wash my face, and it's really soft. So yeah, by the way, this vlog has turned into a beauty video or something, but anyhow, so this is what I do. Now that my face is nice and clean, I'm just going to wipe it off. Oops, sorry. And here's how my skin looks like after all the skincare. Just have a little pimple popping right here. But anyhow, I wanted to show you a little trick. Not exactly trick, because you know that I don't like to waste my product. I've got a bag I've just used to remove my makeup, and I use it from this side. And what I generally do is I always use the other side and wipe my phones and gadgets, because you know you're always on the phone and it gets a lot of product, and that is the cause of a lot of acne. So I always wipe my phones with it, both my phones. I use 2 phones. So I wipe my phones, and see, it had a little makeup which came on there. So that has really helped my skin. Also, it gives me satisfaction that I'm making the most of my product. So yeah, you might find that I'm really cheap, but it works. Okay, so tonight's movie is this one, Miss You Already. Finally, my favorite Jubilees vlog is here. I watch it every single day. It's been like what? It's been almost 3 to 4 years I've been watching her vlogs every single day, and I really look forward to them. So if you haven't already seen, you definitely should follow her and check out her vlogs. 500 videos, and a few hours later, I'm sitting in bed with my laptop and my little speaker that is with me legit all the time. It is almost 2 o'clock. I think I should call it a night. And yeah, so I just quickly change up and put a little bit of cream on this little guy, which is Poppy. And call it a night. I will see you guys very soon in my next video. If you liked my vlog, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and links of my social media in the description box. So check them out, and if you did not like the vlog, then let's just forget that this ever happened. Let me know in the comment section and we can go back to the normal video. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.